Coming! Dude, where are my files? Hello there, I'm pumped up to tell today's video's topic. It's about how to restore deleted files. You might have seen that in the intro that we have all been there, and you might ask that what happens if I delete a file? Is it accessible? Is it recoverable? Well, let me tell you the answer. It's an yes. So what happens? Let's understand the theory behind deleting files. So in our computer, let's take a picture, and the picture is read in the format of computer in zeros and ones, and there is a set of data which is bound over there. And what happens when you press a delete button? It goes into recycle bin. And you might ask, Prateek, I can recover it back to the recycle bin, right? Let me tell you one thing. If you delete it even through recycle bin, what happens is the data set which is bound around the data of zeros and ones gets deleted. But the actual file does not get deleted at all, and it is easy to recover that file. So now how we are going to recover that file? We have a small demo to show you that right now.
Okay, so this is my desktop screen over here, and we need to open a software called Recuva, and I will give the link in the description for this download. And this is happening because of the permission it's accessing, but you cannot see this in the video right now. So what will happen, you need to give the permission as an yes. So suddenly quickly this window will open something just like this, and you just need to do next, and just need to select the type of file you want to recover. So it might be anything, so let's go for all files, and here it will ask for, do you have a specific location or do you want to scan somewhere else? So I have a specific location, and I want to choose that, so I'll go there and I'll go to my pictures, camera roll, and just select that and click on next, and just click it next, and I'll just speed up the process over here because it's too lengthy. And here what will happen, if you have any files over there which is deleted, it'll just get recovered. So the files are in processing, so any file can be recovered like this. So if the data is overwritten, it cannot be recovered, but it'll be partially recovered at that time. So here if you had any data, it would have been shown here, and you can see any data, and you can see a small recover button at the left corner, and you can recover through that. And that's all for this video, guys. Prateek here, signing off from Prehistoric Polymath. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay creative and Jai Hind.